Hi, how are you doing? I know it have been a while. I hope you're doing okay. I've been a bit busy, but soon I'm going to be posting more videos, crochet, hopefully some in English too. But this video I'm filming real quick is because I got sent a VoxBox from Influenster. It was complimentary for testing purposes, and yeah, from Influencer. Let's see. So like I said, oh, my nail got messed up. As I said, I've been kind of busy doing some stuff, but hopefully I'll be able to film more videos soon, and I'll tell you about what I've been up to later on. Not yet though. But trying to work in getting some stuff done. But anyways, let's open this, see how it is. Ta-da! Yeah, what I expected. So I think it's the foundation. They asked me in Influenster like what shade, so I don't know if I got the right shade, because sometimes in the screen colors appear a little bit different, so I really don't know. Yeah, so it's called the No Makeup Foundation Broad Spectrum SPF 20. So it has some protection, as you can see. Okay, it have this strap. Oh, I don't know if you can see it there. Anyways, so it says, let me read the card first. You can see, because here, oh, let me show you the card correctly. The box is really cute. I'll tell you about a little bit of Perricone MD. Perricone MD is a science-based skincare company that holds its products to the highest standards for skin health and product performance. We're thrilled to have you try our new reformulated no makeup foundation. With an enhanced mix of skincare ingredients, it will give you the look you want right away, while helping to create the natural skin you want over time. So I think it's supposed to be really natural, which I like, because I don't like heavy makeup. Right now I didn't put any makeup. The only thing I put was oh, it comes with this, like an applicator pump. Oh, that is nice. I really like the container. It's so cute. You can see here. The only thing I put was BB cream, which is a moisturizer with a thing, and I didn't put anything else. Okay, so let me keep reading. It says using the dermatological standard for categorizing skin, our simplified range of shades is virtually foolproof. You don't need to find the exact match to your skin tone or undertone. We use neutral-based colors combined with innovative, adaptable pigments that reflect color from your own skin, so it's easy for everyone to find at least one shade that looks great for them. So I hope so. Simply apply with your fingers for sheer coverage and a dewy finish that looks like natural, beautiful skin. Thank you in advance for your honest feedback. Okay, so yes. Okay, so like I said, I received these complimentary for testing purposes, so let's try and see what happens, right? I don't know, I feel like it's quite dark. I hope it's not. Okay, so I guess I open it. I hope it, oh, it doesn't look too thick. I don't know, you can see there. I'm going to, it say apply with hands, but I found even my moisturizer, when I apply it, it looks really nice when the beauty blending sponge is kind of moist. Let's see. I'm going to use the camera a little bit. Oh, well, maybe the meter. You know what? Let's pump it. Okay, so let's do this. And oh, What was that? Did he have something? Oh, it's okay, baby. If something came shooting, I'm not sure what it was. Maybe have a plug or something. Okay. There. And maybe I should put my hair back. Hold on. Oh gosh. Let's put my hair back a little bit. Oh. Okay, I should have done this before. Okay. Okay, maybe now. I look crazy. Okay, let's see. So, oh my god, I put a lot. Ah, that's a mess. I think that's enough. So I'm just gonna blend it. It feels really light. I don't like really thick cream, so I hope the color is, I don't know, it is kind of similar to my neck. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. It feels, oh gosh, I'm moving the whole thing. It feels really light. I like it. I could, let me see when I do it with my fingers, because it say to, I don't know. I like it better when I do it with a sponge. It feels more natural. So I guess I recommend to apply it with the sponge. It's like, it does have coverage. I like how my forehead look. I don't know, it is still, oh wait, I haven't, I don't know if I got the right match, but just when you do the powder and all that stuff, it will make it. Did I got every part? Let me put a little bit more. Oh my god, okay. I'm trying here, let's see. It's cool, it doesn't have any smell or anything. I really don't like things with fragrance. It's supposed to protect you from the sun too, so I kind of like that. I think I'm moving the whole thing. On camera, I don't know what it looks like. It's even with my skin. Doesn't, anyway, I don't know. I like it. I like how it looks. It comes out even my skin tone. They have so many tones, so it was hard for me to find them. I like how it feels. It feels really nice on the skin. It doesn't feel heavy, so I like that. I think that's good. See, like, it doesn't even cover my beauty mark that much. I don't know, like, how it looks on camera. I feel like on camera doesn't it looks more shiny on camera for some reason, but on person it looks really good. Okay, see, there's coverage there. You can see my beauty mark, there's coverage, but it's really light and natural. I don't know if you can see it there. I feel it's good. And I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I feel I do have some fine lines here. Bordering, oh my god, I have still foundation here. And I don't know, I just feel like they're a little bit smoother. Maybe it's just me, I don't know. I like it, I like it. Okay, I'm going to put like powder, all the other stuff, and see how this look with the powder. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I finished my makeup, but right now I think my powder is too light compared to my neck. I've been working outside a lot on the yard, so yes, I think I need to get another powder. But anyways, I like how the foundation feels and the coverage is like I like. I don't know, I would recommend it actually. And I don't know, I like how it feels on my skin. I know sure it have like some moisturizer as well, but it feels like, at least here in my forehead, I don't know if you can see my lines, I feel like it's not as dried, and I don't know, I don't know, I like how it feels, so I definitely would recommend it. I really like it. I really like it. I'm going to see, let me see, it have, oh, it comes with this, and that's it. This is the box. I wonder if you have some kind of moisturizer. I do like that it has sunscreen here. See, for sunscreen use, apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. Use water resistant sunscreen if swimming or sweating. Reapply at least every 2 hours. So you can either just go to the beach and just apply this. I guess it's no water resistant, but you're just hanging out at the beach and don't do nothing. I think you can just use this by itself, which is nice because if you want just a natural look, you don't even have to put powder or nothing. You just want to put just this, and I will use it as I use a BB cream, so I like that. Just really like. It say do not use on damaged screen. It say do not use on damaged skin. And it helps prevent sunburn if used as directed with other sun protection measure. Decrease the chance of skin cancer and early skin aging caused by exposure to sun. Oh my god. I don't, well, okay, I don't know they have moisturizer, but it really does. Oh yes, it does. Okay, here, a dewy cream to tint sheer coverage foundation that creates a more uniform complexion without masking the skin. As you see, like, well, I did darker my beauty mark, but it's really light and it feels good. This nourishing moisturizing formula is infused with ingredients that visibly improve dark spots. I'm sorry. It's infused with ingredients that visibly improve dark spot for visibly smoother, more even toned skin over time. Okay. I see powerful protein-like building blocks offer ultimate visible antidote to wrinkles, sagging, dullness, and discoloration. Also, that's why neuropeptides encourage surface skin cells to work together by a unique chemical structure. See, I didn't know that, but it's like, I really don't know how to explain it, but like my lines or wrinkles, if you want to call it like that, I don't. It feels really like soft, like, I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I feel it. Okay, daisy flower extract. Oh, that was okay. Let me I don't know if you can see, but if you want, you can look for information. And then that was the neuropeptides uniting surface cells to fight wrinkles. So yeah, that's like the shades. I like the skin feels more, I don't know, it just feels softer, feel better. You know, like when you have dry skin and like it kind of hurts, or usually do have dry skin, so it kind of hurts when you move. So it feels really nice. It's weird. I haven't tried a product like that. I usually don't use too much foundation. I usually just use like BB cream because I don't like how they feel so heavy, but I like this one. Well, it is called no makeup foundation. So anyway, so it have also Daisy Flower Strike naturally even skin tone, used medicinally in ancient Egypt. You know, English is not my first language. It's kind of hard sometimes to pronounce things. So anyway, used medicinally in ancient Egypt. Daisy Flower Strike is natural ingredient source for the head of the daisy flower that visibly reduce uneven skin tones by addressing the look of hyperpigmentation at its source. It is gentler alternative to more aggressive ingredients that create a more uniform complexion with same powerful ingredient. And fun fact, daisy in Spanish is Margarita, and Margarita is my middle name. So yeah, and it's the flower used in my wedding. Anyway, so yeah, I really, oh, I just said it here, those things that I just read to you right here. I really like how my skin feels. I like the coverage. Maybe I'll try with a different powder next time. Anyway, so that said, I hope you enjoy the review for the Perricone MD No Makeup Foundation. They have other products, and I think I want to try their other product because if they feel as this one, I want to try them. So yeah, and here's the box. Oh god, this is the box again. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with more videos, crochet videos, pretty soon. I'm working on one right now, and that's it. Thank you, take care, and if you till the next one, ciao.